We're back here with Brian Weber of Weber Automotive. Now, Brian, I'm going to tell you, I've been to AutoZone before, and they got this neat thing. They'll come out to my car and they plug in this, and they sort of tell me what's wrong with my car.
Yeah.
So why do I have to pay you for diagnostics to tell me what's wrong with my car if I get it for free at AutoZone?
That's a great topic.
I'm challenging you here. It's a challenging question. But
and we hear that a lot. So,
okay.
Yeah, no,
all
that's
right.
a really great topic. That's a code scan. And the reason you're plugging in is because your check engine light's on, right?
Yeah.
So they'll plug in and they'll give you a code, and it's one of a few hundred possible codes. Maybe there's several codes in it, but that is step one. That only tells you what the computer sees. It sees a short in a circuit, or high resistance in a circuit, or something like that, but it doesn't say why. So you could say, all right, oxygen sensor circuit, high resistance or open. You could throw the part at it. It could be the part. It also could be a bad wire. So we will do the same thing, right? If you have a question, somebody calls with a check engine light, you pull in, one of our service advisors will come out, plug a scan tool in, read the codes for you, and then say, okay, it's got this code. This is what.
That's where you start.
That's where you start. It gives you. It's basically like narrowing a large map down to a zip code.
Okay.
And then we have to get in and pinpoint further to actually diagnose, because the last thing we want to do is say, yeah, let's try this part, and then it doesn't fix it. We have to know what we recommend is going to fix it.
If it's a part that's way inside the engine, then I got to pay you for labor, and then you're doing that. And
exactly. The most expensive repair is the one you didn't need, right?
Okay.
Yeah, it's just a waste of money.
Makes sense.
And a lot of these components will last a long, long time, so you don't replace them just because.
Yep.
Right? And, these cars there's a lot of technology in these things nowadays.
Oh yeah.
So it takes the most expensive tools in our shop and the most qualified, experienced technicians that you can find that we have to do the diagnosis properly. And it just isn't free.
And I know you've got all the groovy tools too.
We have a lot of stuff.
The latest stuff. So so if you want to find out exactly why that part isn't working, your car isn't working, bring it to Weber Automotive.
Thanks, Randy.